Section 7, Types of Rooftop Solar System. Lecture number 3rd, Hybrid Solar Rooftop System. Learning objectives of lecture 3rd. Learner should able to understand the hybrid rooftop solar system. Learner should able to understand working of hybrid rooftop solar system. Learner should able to understand components and structure of hybrid rooftop solar system. What is hybrid rooftop solar system? Basically, in the earlier lectures we have seen that a solar system which is connected to the utility grid, this is a on-grid rooftop solar system. Whenever a solar system is not connected to a grid and we are using the battery to store the power, this is the off-grid rooftop solar system. Now the third type is hybrid. In hybrid, the solar system is connected to the grid also and solar system is connected to the battery also. That is a hybrid rooftop solar system. The grid and the battery simultaneously we are using. We will see the one by one points. Modern hybrid solar system combines solar and battery storage in one and are now available in many different forms and configurations. Due to the decreasing cost of battery storage, systems that are already connected to the electricity grid can start taking advantage of battery storage as well. This means being able to store solar energy that is generated during the day using it at a night. When the stored energy is depleted, the grid is there as a backup condition, allowing consumers to have the best of both worlds. Hybrid systems are also able to charge the batteries using cheap peak of electricity. This is an animation of working of hybrid rooftop solar system. A sun rays are falling over a solar panel. Solar panels generates an DC electricity. This DC electricity is given to the hybrid inverter. Remember one thing, inverter which we are using in the hybrid rooftop solar system, that must be an hybrid solar inverter. When this DC electricity is given to an hybrid rooftop solar system, on one side it charges the battery, on the other side it is given to a net meter. In a net meter it is further given to a grid and it is also used for our home appliances. At a night time or when a battery is not charged, that time we are using that electricity for our home appliances to charge a battery also and to run our home appliances also. When we have an excess solar energy, that time we are storing in that battery also and we are giving to the grid also. That is why it is an hybrid rooftop solar system. A block diagram of hybrid rooftop solar system. From a solar panel, DC electricity generated, it is given to an hybrid inverter. This further charges a battery. Whenever we require, we draw power from a battery. From an inverter, we are using that electricity to run our home appliances and further we are giving to the grid utility also. Components of hybrid rooftop solar system. We will see one by one components. One is your solar PV modules or solar panels. Second is hybrid solar inverters. Third is mounting structures. Fourth is battery bank. And in balance of system, it consisting of a charge controller to charge a battery, cables, switchboards, junction boxes, meters, structures, tracking system, earthing system and circuit breaker and fuses.